90% of solo founders fail, not because they lack talent, but because they picked the wrong idea. They built for months in isolation, shipped something nobody wanted, and ran out of money before finding traction. This is not a rare story. This happens to tens of thousands of founders every single year, all over the world. 3 root causes kill most early-stage ventures: bad idea selection, building alone, and no structured path to ship. There are over 50 million side hustle founders worldwide. The micro SaaS market is growing fast and mostly unserved. Less than 1% of solo founders have access to structured validation tools, co-building support, or an accountable team. That gap is our market. PainSignal is a structured co-building platform. We take solo founders from a raw idea to a launched micro SaaS product. We don't just give founders tools, we give them a validated idea, a complementary team, and a proven 6-phase roadmap. 3 interlocking products make this work. Together they cover the full journey, from problem discovery to first paying customer. First, the Pain Scanner, a free, real-time Reddit scraper that monitors 80+ high-signal subreddits for real user frustrations. Every pain point gets scored by frequency, willingness to pay, actionability, and competition density. Data-driven, not gut feel. Instead of guessing what to build, founders browse a live database of validated, scored problems, ready to act on immediately. Second, the co-founder matching engine. Our algorithm auto-assembles 5-person build teams with complementary skills around a chosen pain signal: product, design, dev, growth, ops. 1 complete team, 1 shared mission. No more building alone in a vacuum. Founders who can't recruit immediately join a solo waitlist, so nobody churns just because they couldn't find a co-founder. Third, the AI project coach. This is the paid core of the platform and where the primary revenue lives. The coach manages a 6-phase roadmap: discovery, planning, build, QA and review, launch, and first revenue. It converts every phase into actionable sprint tickets, tracks milestones, and sends alerts the moment a team hits a blocker. The result? A team that knows what to build, when to build it, and gets held accountable every step of the way. 3-tier funnel. Explorer is free, designed for viral growth, email capture, and getting founders into the ecosystem. Builder is $49 per member, $245 per project team. Full AI coach, legal-in-a-box templates, and team lock-in. We back Builder with a guarantee. If the MVP isn't shipped in 90 days, we extend the AI coach for free. Skin in the game. Accelerator is $299 per member, $1,495 per project. Adds a fractional CTO, a SaaS boilerplate, and ghost insurance. Ghost insurance means if a team member quits after phase 2, we replace them with a vetted professional. No project dies. But subscriptions are just the start. After projects launch, a recurring revenue engine keeps earning automatically. Affiliate commissions from Vercel, Supabase, Stripe Atlas, and Lemon Squeezy, surfaced contextually inside the roadmap, not as ads. Paid add-on modules, Phase 7 growth and Phase 8 scale, for teams who want to go beyond MVP to real traction. A talent marketplace where graduated builders earn as pro substitutes or freelancers. We take a 15% platform fee on every placement. And an alumni community at $19 per member per month. Sticky, recurring, and growing with every project we graduate. The core platform is built. The logic works. The product is real. This is not a pitch for an idea. It's a pitch for runway. I need 9 months of funding to finish what's left: AI project coach, marketing engine, social channels, and the first paying builder cohort. Right now, I'm splitting time between paying client work and building this. That split is killing the velocity this platform deserves. 9 months of focused runway changes that completely. Full time on product, marketing, and closing the first paying cohorts. I'm looking for one or two early investors who believe in the solo founder economy and want in before this platform has its first 100 users. The money goes to completing the product, not corporate overhead. Every euro spent has a direct line to revenue. I'm not asking you to believe in a concept. The concept is done. I'm asking you to believe in the execution and in me. The market is there. The founders are failing right now. PainSignal is built to catch them and turn that failure into a launched product. If you want to back a platform that turns solo founder failure into launched, revenue-generating products, let's talk. Link is in the description.